Hey bad bitties. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this high bun with accident braid on the side, just keep on watching.
Boy, you know you make me float.
Ew, excuse my awkwardness. I'm obviously mad excited.
Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking excited. I can't contain my excitedness at this very moment.
I'm gonna be my own sound effects for this one. But anyways, this is like my 4th day curls. I did it individually. I'm spritzing water all over the front because it looking crazy. But we're gonna start off. We're going right into it with my rat tail curl. My rat tail comb, and we're trying to do one on each side, thin lines of hair. Oh, am I saying this right? Oh my gosh, maybe I'm not the best at voiceovers, but anyways, I think I could kind of tell what I'm doing. But I don't even really need to talk, but I'm gonna just talk just in case. So we're trying to do the lines going up towards my bun because that makes sense and to make it more comfortable to do the hairstyle. And I'm trying to measure it here, and I realize like it don't look maybe exactly the same, but I'm gonna act like it does. I really think I look cute. But anyways, this is aloe hair gel. I'm using it so I can make my life hopefully easier to do these braids that I haven't done it in a minute. I haven't done braids in that long, and with nails it's harder for me. So yeah, I started doing it and I was like, oh shoot, am I doing like French, or am I doing the right one? And I never knew, so I just started just picking up from one side because I thought it would be easier, and it kind of was. It was alright. It wasn't that bad, you know. I rate my braids like a good 6.5 out of 10. Oh, and I'm not talking to myself here. So I do most of the time, but I'm talking to my mom because that would be weird looking to the side anyways. But I gave you guys like an option for those who maybe don't do braids or don't want to do braids. You could do a twist, you know. But the thing is, for me, so I bobby pinned it so it can help me because, you know, I didn't do the same with the braid because the braid stayed in put, but the twist didn't. So now okay. I cut myself up earlier, but it's because I'm moving so fast. I feel like me speeding this up, I gotta talk fast too. Like so much is happening. But anyways, I'm sorry. But anyways, I'm brushing up my hair into a bun and into the high bun. I'm using this big fluffy scrunchie so it could give me more volume for my bun. But yeah, we were having really bad difficulties with the twist. I didn't like it. I like the braid better. So yeah, I took it out and I did a braid instead because ain't nobody trying to look crazy. I mean, I really look crazy most of the time, but we're gonna talk about that. So once I did that braid, now for sure we're gonna get into the high bun, my favorite part. This is so cute. I love high buns. But anyways, I grab a scrunchie. Those, come on, show them. Oh, okay, I'm showing you the braid. Hold on. So yeah, that's the braid. It didn't really line up the same way as you have to tell. But anyways, this is a thin scrunchie that I'm gonna use to give me that high bun because I'm gonna go up like a quarter to my hair. If you want it high, I mean, you could try out something crazy and go high. I got this from inspiration, by the way, from that time. I think it was Sierra with the Met Gala ponytails on it. I never figured out how to do those, by the way, but anyways, this is what I got out of it. And yeah, I tried to right here, I'm trying to mess with my bun. It wasn't working out, so I caved up and went straight to the scrunchie and I was like, all right, let's just plop it and tie it. And then that's when I started tweaking it, and I was like, all right, like we getting somewhere. And all the loose curls, some of them I pulled it out more, like the ones that were in the bottom of the scrunchie. Some of them I just like twisted around the bun. Am I talking too much? I feel like I'm supposed to, but anyway, 24-hour Edge Tamer by Cream of Nature, coconut this is coconut, bro. Ooh, like, let me put y'all on. So yeah, it looked like a boogie the way I held it. TMI. But the best way I could describe that I put it on is by like imagine you being in a commercial looking at the way they spread peanut butter so smoothly. Yeah, that's how I spread it. So I will use water to make it more flexible, and this is the edge brush that I use. I'm using the wide side. Because I like how it does it better, like since I'm doing bigger swoops instead of smaller swoops, so I use the wider side. And the way I do it is that I guide my brush down and my finger follows along, and where I want it to stop, I leave my finger there and slide the brush across. Hopefully I explained it well. And since this is like a messy bun type of look, I took out like some of the edges, curls, so I could give it like just a really curly messy bun look. It was so cute. I love it. I love these. I'm sorry. I just gotta gas it up real quick. But yeah, this is on both sides. I be saying the most like obvious things sometimes. Do I not? Is that what voiceovers are for? Like, is that what you're supposed to? Okay, anyways. Oh yeah, so and I slick it back, I use the alloy to make it flexible. Again, it's all about the flexibility for me. So oh my gosh, I realized that they're not the same length. One fun fact, I cut it to make it the same length, but this is the final look. Isn't it so cute? Oh my gosh, I love it. Hopefully you guys find it as good as I did. I love this hairstyle. I don't do it often because obviously I'm not very good at braids. Oh shoot, I'm done. I'm supposed to be done, but
I enjoyed making it. See ya in my next or previous video.